Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee with Corrine. Stephanie here. I am at Mercato Montagna and today is my tutorial. You guys are having coffee with me while I film. Sorry, but this is what it is today. All right, so we have a Shaken Espresso that I'm going to break down for you all, and I will show you how to do that. It's very loud here today. Shaken Espresso, very easy. You guys can do it at home. It is an amazing summer drink, especially if you have people coming over and you want to show them like, hey, look at my barista skills. Well, you know what? Corrine Stephanie's got you covered. Fill up your espresso, whether you're using a pod, if you have an espresso or any other machine that you use at home, it will work. All right. But I'm very fortunate that I have my beautiful espresso machine. Have a look right here. There we go. Look at that pour. Hopefully you can see it. All right, so we start with our espresso right there. Get my shaker. So I've already put milk inside and I have a bit of ice to make it nice and cold. So this shaker, not just for mixing drinks, it's also for making up your shaken espresso. So you're going to take your espresso shot, you're going to pour it in. I'm going to put a little bit more because I like mine a bit stronger. So I'll just run it through. Still, smell of that coffee is so good today. All right, so inside, like I said, I have ice, I have milk. I'm going to put a little bit more of the ice. I've noticed that's what gives it the froth. Now, you can add flavor at this point, and that's exactly what I'm going to do, is I'm going to add a little bit of a flavor to it. So, in my Shaken Espresso, if you're going to go to other notable brands, you know what I'm talking about. You're going to look for the cinnamon vanilla. You could do that at home. You don't have to have a syrup. You can have your own vanilla, add cinnamon, and you're good to go. And you know what? To be quite honest, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon in my Shaken Espresso. This is a big amount that I'm doing. Okay. So hopefully you guys can see. Put your lid on, put your cap, shake it like a popcorn maker. Then get your cup ready. I'm telling you, you're going to be like the best barista ever. You know, it's funny, so many years ago, I worked at a very well-known coffee shop, and that's actually where I learned how to do all of these fun drinks. And now, after so many years of working in HR, coming back to this, working in a Mercato has been so much fun, you know? So my little advice to all of you, you know, those jobs that we have now are not necessarily going to be what we will be doing forever. And you'll one day look back and enjoy and appreciate that time that you had in whatever job. All right. Oh. All right. So my last step of my Shaken Espresso, and probably the best part that you will see, this is where people at home will be looking at your coffee saying, oh my goodness, where did you learn how to make those? And you can say, Corrine Stephanie on Coffee with Corrine. She taught me how to do a Shaken Espresso. With the milk and the espresso and a little bit of the sugar, it's going to foam up and it gives you actually a really nice foam. I'll try to show you, kind of see in the camera there. It gives such a beautiful foam. So you know what? You are going to be the best barista. You're welcome. Have a great day. Don't forget to follow, like, and most importantly, share on Mercato Montagna, and I'll see you for coffee soon.